Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best mop for hardwood floors. Watch until the end to know our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the following: Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 mops for floor cleaning, multi-surface floor cleaner. If you're looking for the best mop to clean your hardwood floor, then the Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 mop is your best choice, as it will leave your floor spotless. This lightweight mop makes it easy to carry around while you're cleaning the floor. It's also very flexible, making it possible to reach areas that might otherwise be hard to achieve. The handle of this mop is also very fit, as it provides you with the correct grip to clean your hardwood floor without the mop sliding out of your hand. This mop comes with 10 dry sweeping cloths, 2 wet mopping pads, 3 heavy-duty wet pads, 4 heavy-duty dry cloths, and 1 sweeper device. Mr. Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. The Mr. Siga mop is another best mop you'll find on the market for hardwood floors, because of its specifications which make it easier to clean your hardwood floor without straining yourself. This mop has a wide surface of 15 inches by 5 inches and a clip-on fabric that ensures you'll cover a wide area while cleaning, making cleaning more efficient and faster. Additionally, Mr. Siga's mop handle is adjustable, making it easy to be used by anyone in your household, because they can adjust to whatever height they're comfortable with. And you don't have to worry about your mop handle sliding down while cleaning your hardwood floor, because this stainless steel handle has a double lock system that holds the handle firmly in place, preventing it from sliding. Mr. Siga's mop is microfiber, making it easy to attract dust or hair without leaving other traces behind. This mop also absorbs water instantly, making it perfect for dry or wet cleaning. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. This extra large mop is one of the best mops on your hardwood floor because it cleans more than 40% faster than any other hardwood mop on the market. The Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop comes with a microfiber cleaning pad that's machine washable, meaning that you can easily use it, wash it, and reuse it again. The cleaning pad is also durable because it can be washed up to 500 times before wearing off or losing its quality. This mop cartridge is also easy to refill, making it perfect for your household. The Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop is also safely and efficiently stored because its flexible rubber corners, retractable hooks, and a secondary grip. Bissell Spin Wave Powered Hardwood Floor Mop and Cleaner. The Bissell Spin Wave Powered Hardwood Floor Mop and Cleaner is among the best hardwood mops you will ever come across. Its 22-foot cord makes it easy to reach surfaces and corners of your house that other mops might find challenging. This mop comes with scrubby pads that you can use on sticky and tough floors, and soft touch pads that you can also use to clean your hardwood floor gently. This excellent mop also includes an on-demand spray that is automatically released when you start cleaning, ensuring that you use the right amount of solution on your floor. Additionally, you'll be required to apply a lot of elbow grease in your hardwood floor using this mop, because it's a pair of rotating mop pads that allow them to absorb dirt and dust easily. Bissell Spin Wave Robot Mop. This powerful robotic mop is another top option to choose from when looking at your hardwood floor mop, as it leaves you with excellent results. The Bissell Spin Wave Robot Mop has a lithium-ion battery that can run for over an hour while cleaning your hardwood floor, giving you enough time to finish your job without having to charge in between. This mop also has a 2-tank cleaning system, replacement filters, Hard Floor Expert mop pads, and edge cleaning brushes that make it easier to clean your hardwood floor without leaving any traces of dirt or dust around. The Bissell Spin Wave Hard Floor Expert Robot Mop also comes with a separate vacuum that you can use if you don't want to mop your floor. O-Cedar Pro Mist Max Microfiber Spray Mop Red. This hardwood floor mop that measures 55.9 by 8.4 by 4.6 inches is also the best mop to choose for your hardwood floor cleaning because it's super absorbent microfiber that cleans your floor perfectly, using just water. This mop also has a sizable dual-sided head that usually flips, allowing you to easily clean your floors without changing the mop pad. The microfiber pad can also be washed, which is economical, and you won't need to purchase a new pad for cleaning your floor. Which one is the best? The Mr. Siga Professional Microfiber Mop is the best, as it has some fantastic features that allow anyone in your household to operate it. It also cleans a broader space ago, making it the perfect mop. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us in the comments below.